Have you ever seen a home insurance policy with a 2% deductible and wondered what that actually means? Do you know how much you'd really have to pay if a disaster struck tomorrow and you carried a percentage-based deductible? In the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly how percentage-based deductibles work and how they can impact your wallet. I'm going to cover what they are, how they're calculated, and when they're required, and tips to keep your out-of-pocket costs from spiraling. So what is a percentage-based deductible? Most people are accustomed to seeing flat deductibles like $500, $1,000, or $2,500. This is what you'd pay before the insurance company steps in to help. But percentage-based deductibles work differently. Instead of a fixed number, it's a percentage of your total coverage amount, not the damage. For example, if your home is insured for $500,000 and your policy has a 2% deductible, that means your deductible is $10,000. So if you have a $15,000 storm damage, you pay $10,000 out of pocket. So why do insurance companies use these percentage-based deductibles? Percentage-based deductibles are common in areas with high-risk weather events like tornado-prone areas of a state, hurricane-prone coastal areas of states, earthquake-prone areas. Insurance companies use them to reduce the number of small claims, encourage homeowners to maintain their property, share risk in areas where damage is more likely. So now let's break down the difference between a flat deductible and a percentage-based deductible so that you can see how each affect your wallet. First up, predictably with a flat deductible, you know exactly what you pay out of pocket, say $500, $1,000, or $2,500. But with a percentage-based deductible, that number changes based on your home's value. The more your home is worth, the more you'll pay when something goes wrong. Your out-of-pocket costs. Flat deductibles usually lower and are easier to budget for. Percentage-based deductibles can be much higher, especially if your home is valued $300,000 or $500,000 or more. Flat deductibles are common in auto insurance and standard homeowner policies. But if you live in an area prone to hurricanes, earthquakes, or windstorms, percentage-based deductibles are often required. And that's why it's so important to work with a local independent insurance broker who can help calculate the real costs that you may face if you have filed a claim. Are you worried about big surprise costs? Here's what you can do. Choose a policy that puts a cap on the percentage-based deductibles. Keep an emergency savings fund ready. Talk to your local independent insurance broker and review the options available to you. Don't let the deductible you didn't understand become the one you can't afford. And remember, if your home is insured for more and you have a percentage-based deductible, your out-of-pocket costs could be thousands of dollars when you do file an insurance claim. Always calculate the real cost before choosing a policy. Still unsure which deductible is right for you? Reach out to our team at Vargas & Vargas Insurance, who have been helping families for over 45 years find the best coverage for their specific needs at the best prices available. You can reach our team by text, email, all of which will be in the description of this video. Stay informed and stay protected. Thank you for watching.